This video is going to go over the widget annotation not nested inside of a form structure element from the PAC 2021 checker when checking for PDF UA compliance. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Widget annotation not nested inside of a form structure element. All right, let's see if we can find it. Was it the last page? I think it was print name. Oh, there it is. I forgot to put in a parent form tag. There we go. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, check out the links in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your personal accessibility expert. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.